Welcome to a fascinating journey through time and history, exclusively from the captivating landscapes of St. Thomas, Jamaica. In this compilation, we'll explore historical ruins and unforgettable moments from this vibrant region. From the grandeur of St. Thomas' largest historical site to unexpected encounters with nature.
Now what's in the peeps? What's one for them?
This video offers a unique blend of exploration and adventure. Join us as we uncover the mysteries of the past and embark on a thrilling journey through time.
Peeps, this is a feeling I never feel yet. I'm have to laugh. Excitement and fear together.
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex and this is Elite Jamaica.
Don't try this at home. About 7 was just bite me a while ago. Bop, 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 bop. Them lick at the topper. Topper get licked to go around there once you want. To reach a river, but we can't find out to cross the river. And I shows we have on. So Topper say I must test it. And Akeem I go second. Yeah man, people at the river are being, you see it? That catch back. Yeah. Beverly, you see that? Beverly, you see that? Go on, dog. Peeps, you see that? And the doctor room cars that, you know.
You want to look at your Alex shoes down with your Akeem shoes with you. You don't like that. Now and then if I look at them room, I drink it out too much. Now and then if I chew me and drink it out too much, then I cause eruption with me out. I stop drinking it out.
I don't me say I drink out enough of them rum, yo, peeps.
The same thing again, peeps.
Peeps, you might drop again, you know. Tough you get your camera.
One turn back. Really? Oh, I turn back. Now I turn back.
Peeps, over there so we are going now. The plantation is over there, so the great house thing. So the river, the peeps. So we actually there in the middle of the river now. Yeah, how we are going to cross?
Now I know how we are going.
Slippers, shoes. You try to find your way.
My shoes done wet already.
You figure out my way already, you know?
I figure out my way.
Alright, let me show you my way, Taffa. Wait for me. Alright.
Now figure out my way.
Go on. Let me catch your way. Follow him now, Akeem. Follow him again now. You feel you're going to make that?
I'm going to try to figure out my way.
Yeah, that's the back camera, you know, bro. Peeps, a tougher time now. A tougher time now. Just hope my time now really comes so quick. Yeah, man, you catch me a cup cross. Catch me a cup cross.
You catch me a cup cross.
Akeem. Akeem, yo, bad things. What I'm standing up in all along. Bad things ever happen to Akeem, you know. You catch me?
Easy, feel for two. Whatever for them, let's have none of water.
Initiative. Come in, Akeem. Akeem, the rum make you drop for you in there, can't jump far, they drink it, yo. As I'm telling boy, Duffy rum now. Duffy, they want to make sure say, yo, you say if you want to reach in peace, bring rum feed up with them. Yeah, peeps, the river that. And Akeem, worst experience with the river. It's a dry now, bro. Come in, man. We now go back on the road, you know. So Akeem, this is Alex with Elite Jamaica TV. What do you have to say about that fall? How was it? Did you like it?
Yeah, I like the tour, yeah. You know, when we tour, we are tour about some real...
I was asking you about the fall in the river. Babes, the fall we are. Who know the bed pants there? Now I go drop in the water. Who know the bed pants there? I go drop in the water. Guys, you see, them can't break with spirit, you know. Yeah, man. Next time I come over here, over this way, peeps. Pumpkin. Yeah, man. See pumpkin, them, peeps. You know, big up to the farmer, them on farm over here, so, man. Yeah. So, I reach our building where I think say I eat my fine still, I'm not sure. I passed one cover a while ago and I didn't realize him that the way I'm excited, you know. And one more up on the hill up there, so one black one. I now go up there, so still I go in the gully here. Because on the map, peeps, the gully there as I'm telling you, so I'm not going in the gully. Come in. So peeps, yeah, this is the wall. Nobody not come here in the modern days come build one wall. And most of the wall is a stone wall. There was a step right there coming down. You see that, Akeem? Yeah. There was a stone step right there coming down. Yeah. This could be the actual foundation of the house, guys. But I don't think so because there's another gully up there. So I'm just have a look to see how far this go, if this is actually a foundation or if I just the gully bank. But even if it's just the gully, this never built in the modern days. So the plantation is close by. I'm still thinking that that's on that hill over there. But I'll search up so first. But first, we're going at the gully. Akeem, follow me. You're afraid of gully? You're afraid of bullfrog? No. Stand over girl. Why are this?
Oh yeah?
Peeps, people property again. I just want gully one.
Gully one, right?
What's a gully one?
Go for that one, gully.
I walk on next side. Man,
Look like one of some black car. Yeah, peeps, so it's just a gully wall. But I don't know I'm come to search some ashes. So, when I go and eat the wire. Please. Yeah. So I'm come with my peeps. Because as you guys notice, you know, this was normally a step. Alright? So it seems it was made to barricade the gully. That means if this was made to barricade the gully, you know what that means? We just get on the property owned by the plantation. This is how they barricade the gully out of them property. So I could go up the road further. Yo, I feel like so there in the house, yo. Yeah, peeps. So, come like tap a hand to something. Kind of just say, come on, come on, come on. I think we find the house. Tapa. Clear that up in there, right? Peeps, like people around here too, so I get people to talk to.
Well, how much you that right here, so because remember, so.
Right here, so down. Right beside the gully. Right beside the gully. Peeps, right beside the gully. And I two of them. One supposed to be here, so I want the little bit up further. One day here, so I want the up little further on that side.
Don't know, you know, go see them, I know them broke down. Okay, yeah, man, me I take time, go down. Yeah, alright, sir. Hey, do it.
Some peeps, what's the just to do? Lord God! No, sir!
Peeps, I'm about 7 of them with me, you know? Now what's the peeps? What's? One for them.
No! Jesus Christ! I tell you.
How we tough around, guy? Peeps, don't try this at home. About 7 was just bite me a while ago. Bop, 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 bop. Them lick at the topper. Topper get licked to go around there. What's the one going?
Why?
You gonna get none? You gonna get none?
No, me going to go pick up all thinking to us. Same place in this one and not sting me.
I the spirit them, man. I true them know where I come.
Them not sing a mela.
No, me go right pick up some job thinking to us.
So like me and you are the lucky one then because me I tell you I run left them a while ago and
That's spirit of smoke. For your ears, I 7 lick we get enough. You say I dance, me I dance, think I make it. Eh? You happy to them? You go back to there?
I spy him lick you. Yeah? Boy, tougher. As me see them at work, me start run.
About 7 of them lick one time. That was next.
Hey, no, me can't bother. Me I tell you. Hey, I know say. Hold on.
No, you go on.
Let me give you a big drama. You know say. Me just look for the 2 mango them a ground and say life there, them they look sweet, you know, life there, you know. You see by the time I say that real life, in a real life things are going right upside me.
Watch ya. You see that?
Sting.
Watch ya. How them do? Them not come up yet, man. Peeps, me I go show you them. So when you come up like this, so.
Alright.
Me I show you them. I 7 of them peeps. 7 wasps got me. Alright? I'm enjoying this. It's hot. That's how you get them. Yeah, door raise them back up, you know.
Sit up and take a video of them there. Say, you don't know, say, is a man tell me say for look up. When me look, about 1 million was
So
me
please.
see surround.
You know, say right up there, so. Well, come to look for up there, so there, you know. We have to find some way to go up there. Now, Maka there, so and what's there, so we have to go further up so and see what they up there. Maybe the rolling calf up there. I want to see it. Yo, them licking hot, you know, yo.
Them look hot.
You see if a mango can help me. Peeps, I love the country. I can't just take up a mango and eat it. I don't have to wash it.
That.
And then there.
Yes.
This one.
Hey, do it. Let's see how the pump. Yo.
Come in, Mayo.
Yeah?
Come in, man. Come on, come in, man. Come in, Mayo.
You see them, man? Them the peep. Them know me, you know. Come down, Kim. So come here, you know.
Stop now.
Go on, go take next, man.
Me? Yeah. Go on, see phone now.
No, me I take them. Yo, stop that now. Hold on, I want to take them. Stop that. I want to take a week off for them.
Peeps, so that is the worstness, and I am way over here.
Yeah, man.
Yo, the one of the worst that died a while ago.
Oh, see them, man.
You see them? What?
See them, man.
You see them?
I can't go for see.
Peeps,
Stay here.
peeps, we'll try this again, because more see the house. Hakeem, come on.
Yeah.
The phone no one on our phone.
No man, go and walk over there, let me see what I go on over there first before I come over there. Hungry bees?
Catch up there, sir. Peeps, so I see that piece of side up there, sir. That's far, you know. The one there, I go tougher. You look, you watch them. Yeah. You introduce yourself to watch them. Catch stuff around and watch them. Now where you go look? You look one what's wife? Yeah. Oh. What's wife? What's you know?
It's a same I go
I
around.
think it's a wash stream back up in there, you know?
Huh?
I think it's a wash stream back up in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like one tree was grew up on.
It's a
That's
lot.
not building construction on this, bro. No.
Life
That's
they
not
up here
that
enough, you know. What heap of life they up here. See them nail pantry? See them?
Yeah.
Life them. All heap of life. Tough of life they down there, sir.
Follow me, and watch my.
First, shake the tree them first.
See the tree then?
Yeah.
See the mango them all drop off.
No. They look up bush them. Shake them to see if what's in there first. Cause I know I'm pass them and none bite me. I'm sure of them things. What? What?
Come here.
Huh?
Something down.
This one?
Go down with dog. I see something down.
See something like what?
No,
A duppy, you know?
something down there dog. Like what? Something, me no know what.
Duppy, go on.
A zinc? Yeah. Peeps. Me a cut out that.
Whole heap of life they are growing, brother. Huh? Yeah. And some big pretty life, me see them. A sweetie mango. Jesus Christ. No long when I see
Hold the
them.
camera.
Hmm?
Come and see it. straight from the tree. The tree.
Right.
Yeah,
What?
a big green lizard dog.
It's what?
You know just run down on the tree right there, so dog. See construction over there, son? But we have to go over there. Time for fun, no, dog.
Yeah. Keep. Alex spread a green lizard.
A big green lizard, I think big, I think on the ground like one bullfrog.
But you know what the problem? I see life.
You see mango, me see lizard.
I mean, I enjoy some life. Alright? Because I never know, say, could I enjoy life? So I will. What?
Coward. Yo, I'm so coward.
Oh,
Building
Tafa.
that peeps, sit over there, so.
Tafa, now I'm put on camera upon him in a camera. Mike.
Yeah, so peeps. Now always here over here, so auntie, but me just believe it. These are the construction peeps. So we're the inside of the building right now. So the building. So find it. So Akim, come on listen me.
Life, a job.
Alright, you focus on this now. Follow me.
Yeah.
So guys, this here would have been the front of the building. I'm not sure what this building was, I think it was a residential slave building, but it's two of them. One was supposed to open at the bush, but to the way I see the land set, I'm not sure if we're going to find anything at all of it. Alright, but I'm still going to look. Now, if I'm not up in at the bush, then this would have been one, and the next one should have been down there. So the truck out there, so we'll just come off. So, yeah, I know, so I threw a kill. Follow me. So guys, that's the gully right there. So the two buildings I'm supposed to be on that side there. Now that's one of them. Alright, I think the front of here is a graveyard still. I think on graveyard right the system, you know, like. The place are different, you know.
What?
Eh?
Just the two was fly around again.
Yeah, them are going to fly out, them are going. Let's try to look up to see them. Stopper. What is it I tell you to do now? Catch him.
This one, what I look like?
Oh. Yo, them thing are history now, bro.
Yeah, I see some hole in it, so I think so like, it could be like a wolf or something.
You see anytime we find the first artifact, and you're going to make we find it. Because he's a man curious, you know. Yeah, peeps. So this right here looks like it was a grave or something. Alright, because that's the way they made graves back then. And pack up the stone them and all of that and use dirt as mortar.
Alright, what I know?
Around the building, right? So peeps, you know, this,
You see the wall of my building?
this, them thing here in the wall, this was actually a gate, you know, or something, you know. Horse used to go across here in them hole, you know. You know? Let me phone at you. I kind of get perspective on this. Yeah, peeps, so you notice them holes in the wall. Alright. So what I think is that this was some form of a gate or something, but they used to have board being stretched between both. You know? Yeah, it look that way there. And that's the other one, peeps. Because there is no further construction. I think this was a fort or something. I don't see nothing else with support right there, so away from front height. You know. But on the map, peeps, there were two houses. It could be two barracks, you know? Alright, follow you, Tafa. It's because round this thing down there, man, if you not see it, but it seems as if a wall run come round and support this structure. Over here, so you have a lot of stone pack up like one foundation there in the middle. So.
But now it become a farming area of people
Yeah.
planting peas and all these things.
Yeah, you know, and mango. People reap a lot of mango over here to sell, you know. But yeah, we are yet to find out what this building was. It's two of them. We only find one. Most likely the next one was board, so that's why we now find it. So, not sure what this building was. I don't think these were the maroon settlements. Honestly, I don't think these were the maroon settlements. Hakim?
Yeah.
Here guys, stone wall there. So it seems, seems it was really a house, because there's another part of a stone wall, you know. Don't touch the tree them, Tapper. What's step on them now? So guys, I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to find the next part or the next house. I'm not saying no more construction, just this. It seems to me it was a barracks. But I'm gonna look again. I'm gonna do a little more research and see what I find out, alright? And if I find out anything else, then we'll return. But I don't think we really have a reason to return now. You know? So, yeah.
Yeah, I'm more excited now, cause yeah, that thing I'm gonna find it. So, you know, me like click my location, but me get the go ahead for film. So me I film.
That is some of the structure? Oh, I see what I'm going for true. It's a part of the wall.
Part of the wall where the builder origin. You can see up at the top of this, sir.
Yeah.
Or the builder
Oh, a piece of the wall at over there, so too?
Yeah,
May I go over there, man? Peeps, come here, peeps. A real thing, you know, man. See the peeps? See, hey, it was here, peeps. This is a part of the house. And I just part of it, this. Just part of it, peeps. So you know, we'll find it. So you know, tomorrow, peeps, we'll have to come back, come get real footage and all of that. Because me done, it's almost 6 o'clock. Me there close to home still. Hey, see, I told you guys we're gonna find one of our greatest finds. You know, and this is just one room at the great house. You know, I need a metal detector, peeps. Like, seriously, me I forget one of them there. Alright. Yo, so no more. Oh, wow, the wall go further up, bro. Right up. Right on to the end, though. Because this thing big enough, peeps. Me I tell you, so the whole, almost the whole community, you know. One big piece of the community, you know. Me I go through the bush. Me I show you this. What me not drop no hole. Right round, peeps. It gone right up in the bush. So guys, we're gonna come back tomorrow. We have to come back tomorrow. But peeps, we reach the site. We take it from the entrance here. And if you notice, we're still laying at the yard, though. But we can't pass right also because we are already there upon the construction of the great house. Hakim, come hold the camera for me, please. Let me show. Follow me with the camera, right? So peeps, this wall, I want to catch that Hakim. And that's the wall. And then over in your cover piece, the next piece of foundation this peeps. You see me? So we just go down here and we now try go in on nobody's yard or nothing like that. So we are try avoid going into person's yard. But I'm just showing you say how the house was. It start from down this, it come from down this. Alright? And we're from part of the foundation already. So I'm showing the rest of that, guys. We never did see this yet. Let's see this. Actually, what's the cardboard in my eye? Yeah. So guys, we come to our next stone wall now. This was our next crossway construction of the house, and the last one now. You pick up that, Akim?
Yeah.
Right cross, peeps. If you notice, there's another stone wall going cross. That's another column. It'll go cross, go meet up with the next column we see over there say yesterday.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll go further up and see if we can find the last column around at the back of the house then. Because this seems as if this was a living area. All of this down here, so like it was a living area or something. So we'll go further up and go see if we can find more. Come with me.
Yeah.
See? Now when we come here. Alright. Yeah guys, so we couldn't find the top wall, so we circle back around because the top wall looked like it gone under the ground, and because the farming I do, so we find back part of the wall, and this is one more the middle part of the wall, and now we go straight across over the column them was still standing and follow them there and see if we can size it up from this. Alright, so come with me. Now, when I catch this one. Bro, give me the camera. Guys, wanna see? Wanna see that? Wanna see that? Wanna see that? Wanna see that down there, sir? Well, I'm gonna go close and I'm gonna see it. Because this is no joke, you know, guys. And the same house, this, you know, peeps. The same goddamn house, this, you know. Alright? That's one of the big column then. You see me? That's one of the big column them. I'm going to go closer because you always have enough afraid. So right now, this is one of the big column them. Yo, come on the camera there. Peeps. We have to size up this thing. That's an arch, you know. This, you have to touch it, peeps. This a part of the great house. Stop the camera and take a picture. Yeah, peeps, we are size up the house. So this is one big column, alright? People do not even know how be excited to find it, you know? This is a piece. So guys, the wall this is the house, you know, peeps. The wall this. The wall this, peeps. And then it look like a break off. I don't know where the rest of it is. But the wall underground. And then, come on. See? Catch that. Peeps, you see that? Like there was an entrance right there. You know? Like one entrance there right there. So come with me. Look here again. Peeps, when I really realize how fine, we find it, and we have to right to the next wall. Entrance wheel. Alright? This is an entrance wheel right here. This is an entrance wheel. You see? It's straight. Alright? This is straight. This is an entrance wheel. And it's like it was an arch also. Alright? You know, follow me. That's the cupboard to the so now we reach where we really see some part of the house. Alright? National Geographic Don't contact me, please. So a wall was right here, please. You catch a wall there, Akeem?
Yeah.
Right up to the tree. Alright, come come. Pete, with the inner the house. Maybe with the inner one of the room them or something. It was a mansion, Pete. Look at the columns. Look at the columns, peeps. So guys, now you still have the next side of the house out there. That would be like the back alley, the back galley of the house. You know those houses back then, they had this big back part of the house. Now them here, it's not aqueducts. If you notice, the middle is cut out. Alright, it's a column. Alright. So come, I could try to size up that thing here. Peeps, and this seems as if it's gone right back across. Yeah, peeps, the wall gone right back across. And this is a line. I can't go upon people property like that. But guys, I have to do it. Guys, the walls still come up. Alright. I don't see the next corner wall them, and I don't want to venture too far from people's property. So I'm going to find the next one them down in the yard. That's the far corner, the right corner, that's the one we see the other day. And I'm going to follow them on there because this is the back wall. We see the side wall them over there, so we're going to look for the next side over there, so, and the front piece. Alright? Peeps, we get lost. And guess what happened? Well, I got through one truck and go through one yard. I'm asking the lady if I can walk through here if I get lost. I never realized, say, at the next corner wall, not the right corner, you know, but I one of the column them this will buck up on again. And it's right in the middle of this lady's yard. Look there. Look the peeps. Look on the size of construction with the there. When you see that? And it's not the top height that. Because she said it get mashed up, no? But look at it. Look at it. And then, watch the dog, Akeem. And then, peeps, we have inside here. We have inside. This look like how come yesterday. The house is so large, peeps, not even remember when the day yesterday from when we never there. And peeps, when you look on the construction, how them build the house, peeps. Them stone here, I have to touch it still now. I have to touch it. Guys, this was humongous. And find it. This is one of the biggest great house in a St. Thomas. And we have proof. And we can see that because it's on video. Alright? So our next little piece right there, this look like this is a room in a peeps. That's one of the corner wall coming around. Then you have the corner there. Then you come around. You have that corner. And then you come right back to that corner. You see it? And then you have here. Well, if a dog that no bro. Then you have there where go back round. This is like a step. I'm wondering if these were built for giants, because them really big. The step them. Hold him. Watch him. Guys, this is really huge. We can't venture into those persons' yard. So, but you get the size though. So
So guys, the next time we come here, we don't know what we are going to do. May I bring tape measure. And by then, may I have a metal detector. You see it? Because this is untouched. Nobody never come here so yet. Them don't know about it, and persons are living right in the vicinity. Right in the middle of the house. This is our first and the largest historical or archaeological find. And I realize that this is something that no one knows about while sitting amidst the ruins. Alright, this, I'm not sure if it's a great house or a mansion or a slave house. It looked like it was a slave master's mansion. This looked like where the Willises used to live. You know, but it's not confirmed, so I can't say so. Yeah guys, so I'm very excited today. Today is the day we go in search of that old jail. That's the old jail in Polilat. That's a community in Trintyville in St. Thomas. Now rumor has it that Paul Bogle was once locked up there. That's in the time of the Morat Bay Rebellion. And there's a lot of history surrounding that jail. Alright, so I found it on Google Earth and now I'm gonna go in search of it. And I'll show you some of the history with you on the way, is it? So I'm gonna follow. Yeah guys, as I told you, I was gonna give you a piece of the history on the way. Now this Anglican church behind me is the Trintyville Anglican Church. Now this is the first Anglican church in Jamaica. A lot of St. Thomas history has been hidden. Not that it has been really hidden, but it has been not has been taught to our kids, you know, so we don't know that history. Now the police station I just went to, that was the first police station established in Jamaica. Rumor has it that it is the Barnett Street police station that was first established. Now let me tell you this, Barnett Street police station was established in 1907. Now that police station right there was established in 1901. Cedar Valley police station, that's the one further up, was established in 1901. Those were the two first police stations in Jamaica. Alright, so I'm gonna follow me, we're doing a little more history. So we're still on our journey because you know we have to reach. It's a longer journey than the one.
This one somebody like you from either Facebook or something like so.
It's on YouTube.
I talk about one pyramid where they find a friend of mine for you.
Yeah, it's a monument without from Mount Lebanon.
Yeah, we are saying from me with the top of me, I say I must have from Mount Lebanon. I look for the person, I say person look like you know.
Yeah man. Subscribe to my channel, Elite Jamaica, and say hi to Jamaica and say hi to the world. A lot of people watching. So maybe true. One of your family see you.
True.
Because a lot of people been seeing them family. Alright, your peeps. Such a beautiful landscape, you know. But you see when we reach around the road, I'm going to show you something else. How do you do it? Yeah man, don't get me a go one. Alright, here we go. You hear about old jail that was here at one point, where Paul Bogle was once locked up? Yeah. Is it over there for real? Over in the bush them? Yeah. Alright, how long have you been living in this community?
Born and grew here from 1962.
Okay, I'm going to ask you two questions. What you like about the community where you live in? Which community you live in? Trintyville or Georgie? Oh, I've been to Georgie the other day. People type Georgie in the comment if you did see that video there. I've been to Georgie the other day, I go over the copper hole. Alright, so we'll try to find all of the historical side them. Alright, back to the question. Tell me one thing what you like about Georgia as a community you live in.
Well, Georgia is a lively place, and people can friend them and do a farm and raise the animal and thing.
Okay.
And, we have a friend now with talk about history about copper wall.
Yeah.
Headway.
Yeah.
So the copper wall you know.
Yeah, and the hot topic around here now because a lot of people been seeing the video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so Yeah, man, go ahead, man,
Raise
finish.
the animal them up there.
You raise animal and stuff
Yeah.
like that, you do farming.
Yeah.
So one day I can go interview you and see the animal them and thing.
Well, anytime you feel like.
Alright, what your name, sir?
My name is Busty.
Busty.
Yeah.
Alright. So the next question I'm gonna ask you. If there was anything you could change about Georgia, the community that you're living in, what would it be?
Well, right now, we don't love to see the place developed as the youth them can learn a skill. Because them sit down in the year, them really not have nothing to do. Still.
True.
Me as a elder talk that every day, so them to learn a skill.
True.
Because they can't do that and sit down, they will suffer. When they reach my age,
Yeah.
they will suffer.
They must suffer for real.
Yeah.
That is what I was
and they
speaking.
will go steal people things.
Alright, you know.
We will not agree with.
True. Yeah, man, you know, them they are positive talk. The breeze kind of beat to bad people, but those are positive talk coming from a resident of the Georgia community. You know of any other historical site or points of interest in the community?
Well,
I turned away because I don't want them think I stick you up with one gun, you know? Because you know the place steer, you know, Jamaicans like that.
I know. Yes, I know it's a lovely place to live. I'm
Yeah.
there.
Okay.
I leave and go Mobile, and I still come back right back in my district.
Okay, so you hear that Mobile people, type Mobile in the description if you're watching. Alright, so I thank you for that. Thank you for
Mount
that.
Zion, me did.
Mount Zion.
Yeah.
That's in Mobile.
Yeah, they call me Obeahman down there.
Them call you Obeahman. So if not a magic man. If anybody from the I can bet them call you magic man because St. Thomas you come from down.
Yeah, I'm really do little magic thing too.
Okay, when you hear that. So if anybody know this man from Montego Bay, type it in the comment section below. And thank you for that little insight, the elder. For real.
And you see, down on the road there, so
Yeah?
down there, then capture all over. So
Yeah.
over there, so now,
Yeah?
here, Robert Lightburn, bang and floor.
Okay, peeps, me I go show you that.
Robert Lightburn.
Yeah, peeps, so that's the house that Robert Lightburn, that's the house that he born and grew up in. You see me? We just passed Robert Lightburn High School up here as I showed you guys. Alright, so yeah. We are going on a little entrance now. Guys, I'm so excited to reach car. Yeah, I really want to see this. I know I want to see it too. Guys, I have to just show you this quick because this look like some more. Not really long history, but I just love old things, you know. Yeah, man, so it look like we are getting close. What about you? What is the story behind the bus here? What is the story behind the bus here?
Them usually plant cane, so them carry the workers them. You know this bus is a tractor they use and drive.
Oh, so it never have no engine?
No.
So why them use a bus without engine?
Well, I don't really know, but it's a tractor they use and drive. Hitch around the front, they have a
Okay.
town there.
Okay.
Hitch up and them drive.
Okay, me understand. So peeps, it look like people around in the bush here. So you know that go security up. Yeah, man, so we are going to walk.
Yeah.
Can I take this up?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. So the other building that I see up there, what kind of buildings are those?
Those buildings was when the tobacco plant here. The manager and
Yeah.
the supervisor them living at them.
Oh, okay. So because you know all of down here so was a slave plantation back then.
Yeah.
So I guess those houses were where the slave master them used to live before even the tobacco thing.
No. This one was one.
Okay, let me show you that, guys.
That one was one. Well, the rest up there now, build it up.
Okay, so that was a slave master house right over there, peeps.
Yeah.
You know, more history.
But I use this one and make the house.
And for the persons who know overlap little place here, can bet you never know all them places there. Now peeps, at the jail this with in front time.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So this was a jail.
Yeah.
This was a jail cell. So is there any other part of the building or nothing we could have really prove to we say it's a jail cell, say it was a jail? Because this look like the brick. For back in them days, the normal them use brick for jails.
Yeah.
So what around here, sir? peeps, I go around there now, don't know me. I go everywhere though. Yeah man, just come under one piece of precarious set zinc, you know. Okay peeps, I'll be a bush. But you know me still go show one of them all house they up in the bush up there because we want to see them there too, I know that. I know I want to see it. One hole gone down in the ground?
Yes, yes.
We want to see that. Peeps, we have a look on that right now, see if we find the hole that go down in the ground. Yeah man, even if you zinc them cover it up, we still look at we see it. Peeps, you see all, I still like my memory. My phone is full, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to delete WhatsApp and your memory full because I have to get them footage. So I know that go. Alright, I'm going to type WhatsApp in the comments now, please. If you love the video, if you guys like what I'm doing, please type WhatsApp. That sounds crazy though. Alright, just type anything on the thing you want to type in the comment, please. Just show myself on the there with me, is it? Yeah man. And guys, please share the video. Now we reach our next place. Let me give you from a wider perspective. Now that our old concrete building. You know? Yeah. Our old concrete building. Yeah peeps, so we are going to find the hole now. You see me find the hole and around them I go. Okay, peeps, I'm just delete WhatsApp.
Yeah, first time board can't rock me now.
Them board there?
Yeah, them board can't rock.
Peeps, you see how long the board is there and it's still there?
Yeah, it's solid.
Yeah. Let me see the hole now. Oh God, man. Peeps, let me see that. So him saying no know where this hole was for, but it did it. You know? Round at the back.
Yeah, it's like a concrete that one is.
Yeah, concrete round at the back too, you know, peeps. You see, so I don't really know what this building was. I wish I had a drone so that I could have looked on it from sky footage. Because I can't see it good on Google Earth like from sky footage. So I wish I had a drone to do this. Yeah, Elder, I really thank you for this way. Because I don't think I would have found around here, so.
Jail this thing.
I jail this for two peeps. I actually believe that now because it have the settings of an old jail. It has the settings.
I can't rotten.
Yeah, because peeps, you know, so them board are supposed to be more than 100 years though.
Them have board the whole army. I'm at 58 right now.
See?
I'm a baby, me come know them place.
True.
I'm part of the deal.
Yeah, so over here, so them did whole Paul Bogle and have him locked up. You know? Yeah, peeps. So I want more of the place them this. But we still not done yet because remember, so I showing them all house, you know. You know, even for me alone, I have to go over there. I'm going over there. Because those were what I really saw on the Google Earth. You know? I did not pick this building up on the Google. I think I saw the slave master house where they out there, so. Yeah, I think I see that. I'm going to show now a screenshot on the screen right now. So, I think when I see that, I think I did see that, but I never see this. You know? So, yeah. Come in, Elder. So behind the slave master house. You know, we are behind the slave master house. If it never mash up already, we'll mash it down. You know? Yeah, man. Yeah. And what did they write here, sir?
Well, after I start tobacco now,
yeah.
I use this to store the chemical them.
Oh.
Yeah, chemical them store. You can't see all the whole jug them, whole chemical jug them.
Okay, them the recent for true. Yeah man, we're more in the deeper history. So peeps, this was the slave master house. And you can see say how them people live in a good house from back in the days, you know, because look how this set up, man. And them boat they now go nowhere, and a little flimsy boat them the way you would call it for them still, you know. But no storm, no overthrow it. And it's been there a while. Alright, so I could go and walk, peeps. The outhouse, the kitchen or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps.
Usually they right off as well.
Yeah, man. If you don't love all of this, or if you don't love me, I do type history in the comment section and share the video. Like, share it 3 times or 4 times. Let everyone see that, well, let them see say, oh, the history there. Is it? St. Thomas is no longer the stone that has been refused. Alright? So, yeah. I catch up Jamaica, right? We are gonna make catch up Jamaica right now.
What about Kachi?
Kachi?
Yeah.
No.
When 12 o'clock it blow.
When 12 o'clock it blow?
Like 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock.
Oh yeah, me hear that thing that blew up on a factory already, you know.
Well, I want this.
I want this.
Yeah.
Okay. Peeps, you don't know what this is? A Kachi? Tachi? Kachi.
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps, if you guys know what this is, or if you're familiar with this, because the first me I hear about this still, but I know why I talk about it, the first me I see it, is me, and the first me I hear the name. But when him say it blow, every 12 o'clock, me understand that.
12 o'clock,
you know?
1 o'clock, like when people come off for work and go on.
Okay, it will be like more like a signal, like a bell.
Yeah.
Okay. Blow. Oh, true. So guys, we did the attack and I not even realize some cow did come behind me through the track. So right now, I almost out of breath. Because I left all the elder where me and him did walk. Me have to walk left him. Yeah man, because I'm scared of cows, you know that guys. I got some more information about that copper hole. And it seems like what people are talking about both sides, where if you drop something in one side, it comes out through the other side. I'm starting to think that there's some fact to it. So I'm going to see what I'm going to reach. Alright? So, what you know about the copper hole? Come here, all the thing about it, you know?
Well, it used to be dangerous, you know.
Right, dangerous like
first time you couldn't go there anyhow, you know.
Okay.
No, but now you can't reach there.
Oh, because you know, I hear a lot of things. I hear that it used to be like a place where like you can drop something at one end and it come out through the next end.
Yes.
That true?
Yeah, man, that is
Alright. Me also...
It drop it here, so it come out a porty.
Porty? Oh, me did hear say it come out of Yalas.
Porty, me hear about.
Okay. Anyway, it seems like a true because when I look on it from the satellite infrared camera, I can see water there underneath the ground.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so...
A big water underneath there, I go listen, you see?
Yeah.
It come like a whole world of water underneath there.
Oh, so when I hear food myself, now guess what? We want to see for ourselves. So now I reach our intersection, like on T junction. I don't know which one of them I would have to take, because I never hear about the next road still. I just hear so one straight road, and on the map I just see one straight road on Google Earth. But because of the location, I go straight. Yeah, I go straight, man, because it showed me this straight road going up. Now guys, I've just gotten to another intersection, another turn. I'm not sure which of these roads, but still I'm gonna remain on this straight road. It seems that one isn't even a turn, it's a dead end. So I'm gonna remain on the straight road until I actually see where I marked on the map. Alright, from what I heard, this is a truck that should take you around to the copper hole. Now I'm not seeing anyone to ask any directions, so I just take a chance on the satellite image. I think that's where it should be. But anyway, I'm missing one. just like a little path that leads you to the copper hole. I'm thinking I'm in the right location. We can actually hear the water. Listen. You guys hear that? Yeah, they said the water makes that sound. So, look like at the right place. I'm here like people around there too. So, let me see. I'm gonna keep my camera on because I'm not sure what's going on. Alright, so I think it's the right place. Hey, yes sir, I got the copper hole. Okay, thanks. Can you come up? Is it the water that make that sound? You know, I heard about that.
Okay.
So peeps, is like the myth, part of the myth is true, that the water actually makes a sound. A very, I don't know if I describe that sound, but I'm not going to hear it still. Yeah, man. Yeah. What you know about the copper hole, bro? You can look on the camera, man. It's a YouTube channel, Elite Jamaica. One of the best YouTube channels in Jamaica. We promote Jamaica to the world.
Oh.
You see me? So,
good water down there, man.
good water. What you hear about it differently? I'm not talking about the water. What the myth where you hear about it?
River right there, man. Big river too.
Where it come out?
Yalas?
Yeah. It really come out of Yalas with you. So if I drop something in there and I have somebody at Yalas, I wait them, I go get it.
Yeah. And the buckle anything you put in there.
So I have to go try that one day. People, we have to go try that one day. Yeah, man. So, I hear it loud now, so I know it's the right shot with the pan. Yeah, man, tired still. So what I heard is that the water commission actually tried to get water from this hole, and them tried to draw out the water and them couldn't draw it, so they're on a pipe now. So I'm actually seeing a pipeline, so I hit me a follow. Easy. Yeah, man. So I'm there basically on a riverside in the peeps. You know, I'm just showing them the surroundings. And it's me alone. I notice the cameraman not there with me. Nobody. This peeps, a real vlog. You see me, I don't have no cameraman. I know one bag of people with me. Body nine and a tree. You get my drift. Yeah, it's an old riverbed. Yeah, but I'm hearing this sound all around me. Just open up bees me I hear. But me I hear that sound there, so my head go straight up sitting there. Honestly guys, I don't think I go the right place. I swear I don't think I go the right place. Because I don't know, I don't reach it yet. But I hear it. You know? I'm not seeing no water. And the youth just tell me say, hold up water out there. I don't hear no more water. Sound like a downside there. So I go back out the front and find out. Yeah, man. So I just called my friend whose property, this is his property that we're on. And I asked him where the thing actually is. I did I go the wrong way. He said if I turn back and go back where I come from, that's close to where I met those people just now. So I turn back and yeah, I head back down. So I reach back down in the riverbed. I'm showing the riverbed. This is no joke, guys. You see me? We're not play around. Guys, if you like this video, if you like the surroundings, if you like the rugged background, click the subscribe button. If you already subscribe, share the video. If you already share the video, just leave a comment, type like. Alright? Yeah, man, so I get on with it. Now guys, I've just seen this and it look man-made. I not even know. I don't know what down there. I plan to go down there, but I can't see no if I walk go down there. You know, it kind of broke way, but yeah, I'm see if I can find some if I walk go down there, peeps. Right, so look kind of better. Yeah, man, I walk here, so peeps. I'm sure I'm reach down there. Yo, me I tell you, say right now, I'm alone. I'm afraid. I'm literally afraid, peeps. If I'm never there, if I never say me a video this, I would come here, so I show you something. I show you this. It's a cave, but I don't think I'm gonna go into this cave. Alright, I'm show you. See the peeps. One cave that you know, man. But I'm not going there. Yeah. What's that? That look man-made, don't peep? Peeps, that look man-made, yo. This is all man-made. It look like they made a cut and a chisel. You hear the sound? That's the sound of the copper hole. So I could see if we can find it. I not like this. I swear, because them people just tell me so well for water down there. I'm not see no water so far. And that when I reach a while ago, I think of that them call the copper hole, the little cave. I think of this so the thing them go through when water at night. I don't know. Because my friend just tell me say, when I call him say no water not in night. So I wonder who them people, where them a come from, I wonder if I spirit them. You know what I do now? I go back out the road and try to make somebody tell me exactly how to find it. Because I know not the joke thing. I have to find this. Because I have to show you this, alright? Bro, you know I go up on Mount Lebanon yesterday up at the little pyramid thing up on Mount Lebanon. It's not a pyramid, it's a Freemason structure, yo. It have a whole underground cavern, you know. Yeah, man. I know I hear about one old jail where they done a coal lot. Yeah, I don't know if you ever hear about that. I thought that about it. You see it already? Alright, so peeps, we have confirmation that the olden jail, the ancient old jail, it's there. That's the jail that Paul Bogle was once held, the prisoner. It's actually there, so you know we'll do that tomorrow, don't peeps? I'm going to show you that. Alright, I'm going to go and walk. Can you follow me? Peeps. So, yeah. Yeah? Just in the salon? Oh. But more than going at that still. Swear. Bro, so the meet them about that thing what them say when you're going there in a Port of Yellow, is that true? Oh, that one there. So that one is just a normal basin. Okay. 7 different divide. Oh. Peeps, you see the land or the land farm out. You know. This is what them call the copper hole. I'm not sure why it got the name. Why it got the name? Because me hear say copper used to farm the water look like a real thing still. Me hear say copper used to farm on a natural. It's not a book. Alright, because I got the archives one at the time I might be in, so I'm good to get some information about this. But it's really interesting though. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I doubt me never want to step in a car. I say I don't want to step in there up a yellow, is it? You have to step and move fast. Oh, alright. Yeah, peeps, so that is where it takes us to Yellas. You know? This is the cave that takes us to Yellas. I guess it goodly full up now, or them way there. Quick sanding up, peeps, so I can't stay upon it too long. You know? Yeah. Oh. So me here say the slave them usual, like them usual actually use as a send things Port Antonio. Me say it have a next mouth. You see me and them used to walk there and them thing there. So peeps one entrance the right there so. Yeah man, one entrance to the right there so peaks, but you know I'm not the one to venture inside of that, no? Yeah man, but that's the entrance, that's the copper hole. So right now I have something else to show you. Yeah, man, Tafari.
They up on the road, man, you see 6.
Yeah man.
Right now the road work with the pan, man, I invest, yeah, serious thing, man, you see me?
Alright,
Fix
people.
the road, I go fix
And
people,
me
man,
first I
see me?
show you this say how the road
Yeah,
actually
man,
have to fix
them
the
take over the
truth.
thing, man, you see me?
Yeah man.
So them a push it thing. They know it's a serious thing I go on a St. Thomas.
Alright.
Yeah.
I call close to reach the pyramid now, money. What you really know about the pyramid?
Very much as I'm
So you
saying.
said make it cause people to go crazy.
Yeah, 3 guys get crazy by looking gold from it. And that's what
You hear that,
cost them.
people?
Yeah, but they thought gold was buried here.
Gold them want and them get mad.
Yeah.
So
you know, so from some Spaniard situation.
Spanish gold people want to see it down.
now.
So we are turning off now. I'm showing you the journey. Peeps, man, I'm telling you, say, yo, I just about 3 o'clock. I want to see how the place look. I want to see a sweater me, you know. Yeah, man. This is St. Thomas, one of the cooler parishes. Yeah, peeps, so go through some bush. I go up in the I don't know, I start to feel afraid. I don't know why. We can feel like something there close. But you know guys, it's not a laughing matter. It's for educational purposes, and I'm not sure why there's a pyramid hidden in St. Thomas. I've never seen it before. And here say it's not all that big. So I know it's not as big as the Giza pyramid, but it's a pyramid. Everything here behind me now, I'm looking. You know, and it looks like reach. Yeah man, looks like reach. So, you see it? Yeah man, reach peeps. You ready to see it? You ready? Yeah peeps. So this is it peeps. This is it. Hold on peeps. Because this is natural history, and this a natural history peeps. Well listen. I forgot me here peeps. Catch me on the camera. Peeps. This is natural history. I tell them my heart a beat right now. I feel so exhilarated. I not even know the word to use. I'm excited. This is natural history. And then guess what? I see the hole them where people lick it and try for broken it to get gold out of it because them say gold in them. This is natural history peeps. I'm showing you that. Why would someone vandalize history like this?
If you look on the other side, you see where it get licking.
Where?
Wow.
That's where persons vandalize this piece of history. And when I was leaving to come here, my mom told me, like, make sure you not bring back no dopey coming out of the house. But no, I know why she says so. Because the feeling that I get being around this thing, this is where they even tried to break it open. You know, because they said that gold is inside there. You know? I wouldn't even touch it, guys. You know, this is natural history. You know? The myth has it that it's a grave for a high priest. Yeah, but yeah peeps, I'm giving a clearer look. So if anyone can tell me what this is by the shape, how it is built, wanna make me know. Because this is a natural history. And whatever it is, I'm not sure. But I think this is something that should be preserved. There are a lot more here, and we'll get to the rest of them. Not in this vicinity though, you know, guys. There's one in Hillside and 2 across the river. We're gonna get to those, alright? And I heard of some other one up in Duckworth. Okay, so yeah, we are get to them there. Yeah, man.
So who don't know, you can't want to go a place to trouble things where you know create it. You don't know what them put there. You don't know. You know no power.
So yeah, sir, it come from the Spaniards.
Yeah.
Okay, what is?
People them.
Oh. So you think I one of them like bury up there and bury with?
Bury one of the slaves.
Yeah, one of the
slaves.
slaves.
They say but bury one of the slaves with the bury my life with the treasure.
With the treasure, I don't think they would do that.
Of course, why not?
Because in a history they wouldn't bury slave with treasure. They would bury more like a matriarch or a high class person with treasure. Because them bury him with feet. If you see what you own, then bury you with it because they believe so when you go into the afterlife you're going to use it.
Okay.
The slave them wrap him in a piece of cloth and bury him if them bury him.
Okay.
A grave?
There's a grave?
And a grave that man.
Oh.
Who buried them?
You know Ross. I'm see them. Everybody say a grave too.
Oh, you ever go around there? You ever touch it before? Nothing happened to you when you touch it?
Yeah.
So what caused the man to go mad?
They say, no, they say I don't
Because him did have bad intention when him go around there.
When I tell you, you know Ross,